Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to connect Jobber to QuickBooks. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your account and then click this button right here, which is the gear icon, and then click Settings and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you have to scroll down a bit to find Payment Integrations. Click that button right there. And now you will have to select your provider, which is QuickBooks. And however, if you do not have that option, it is most likely because you do not have the full access or the full version of the website because of your either of your region or your country or whatsoever. And if you do have the full version of the website, then you will see QuickBooks Online. You will have to click on it and then you will have to click this button right here. And then after that, you will have to click connect button if you do have that option. And then you will be redirected to a QuickBooks login page. You will go ahead and log into your QuickBooks account. Then QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the confirmation. You will have to click authorize or allow to continue. And once it is done, you will return to Jobber and see confirmation that the sync is active. And now, your invoices, payments, and client data will sync automatically between Jobber and QuickBooks. And that's how you connect QuickBooks Online to Jobber. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful.